When it comes to the house every weekend, when it comes to the house every weekend, house every...
What's up guys, you're back with One Life for a quick update on the Fiat Punto Grande seat release cable video. And in the whole video I didn't even mention the idea of taking the seat cover off, and the original person who requested this video was asking about that as well. So I'm going to quickly show you now. It's dead simple. So when it's fully on, you'll see there's two bits of plastic here, and those two will be connected together. Right, so they've got a lip on the back of them on each side, and then this one here, which I've already started poking through to pull the cover off to show you. So literally all I did was get a flat screwdriver, like so, and the top here, and gone straight in the top. That was when they were still connected with the other one, which is now poked through there. Yeah, so both of them connect together like so, and I've literally used a screwdriver to prise them apart, releasing the cover. Now at first you're going to think, oh, it don't come off this, it don't work. I did, because it's really tight, but you've just got to sort of work your way along, lift the seat up. Now you just got to sort of work your way around the seat, around the bottom of the seat and the back. Pull the back up first. The back will come away quite easily, like so. And I used the tilt and just sort of kept moving it forward as I worked my way round. And the hardest bit you'll find is getting this, which is sort of the front, the other side of this backrest, where it loops underneath. So with lots of messing about, I was able to pull it out. So I'm going to stick this on the stand now and show you quickly taking it off. Also, you'll need to take this handle back off. So like I said in the last video, it's a TX15. Whack that screw out and it'll literally pull off. And that's like I said guys, I'm going to take this handle off first. It's a bit fiddly, just got to sort of work it out. And then work my way round the cover. Now I've already started it off, so you'll find it takes a bit longer than this. Yourself. But once you get this, that plastic piece there, that's what I was talking about. Once you get that bit out, it's just a case of working your way up the seat with it. It's a bit fiddly, but it will come off. I'm just seeing some sort of metal pipe in there. So anyway, you get the idea. So eventually pull that fully over, releasing the handle, and then you can, if you wanted to, you can prise the foam out the way like that, or even cut a little channel into it to get to the cable. Personally, I'd leave the cover on and feed it through like I mentioned in the previous video, but it's up to you guys. I just thought I'd show you this as well, to show you that if you have to, or you want to, you can get the seat cover off. That's it from now. Just a quick update video on that. I thought it needed mentioning. See you in the next one. Peace.